So these days, as you're getting on in life, you've got to keep yourself fit, healthy, and make sure, the inner man or woman is, healthy as it can be. So my husband and I, we always like to go out for strolls and work around and things like that. I can't really like run at the moment because of my knees at the moment, but I do dabble a little bit going for long walks with him. And these winters, I've noticed that I just get so cold through my scalp, especially as you can see with my hairstyle. Got gaps here and there and things like that. And I've got different kinds of hats at home, so I always try to go out and wear something, and I look good rocking the hat and all that. But when there's cold, you can't be like fashion fashionista when it's cold. And I noticed that with some of the hats, it's got like this was made with double crochet, so it's got holes and the wind just goes straight onto my scalp. Oh no, I said no, I ain't gonna have that. So I tried another hat which I made many years ago. I actually made, using this yarn, a different one for my twin sister. Yeah, I'm a twin. Don't tell me you don't know I'm a twin. Well, now you know. Okay, so and I put it on as well and I rock it, but I'm still like, I ain't having that cold. And sometimes I put like tie a bandana scarf underneath first and then put that. I'm like, oh no, that's not too, too great. So I decided, since we just learnt the crochet ribbons, if you haven't seen that, you can check that out on Asdaro Crochet. So I decided, okay, why not make a very dense, thick, chunky, ribbed hat and bless yourself with it. Us crocheters, we crochet and crochet different projects and things like that. Most of the times we just give things away. So I just said, well, now is my turn, and I made this. It's very cozy. It's like marshmallow, really, and a bit of, when the snow just falls, and even though you're expecting it to be so cold because it's snow and it should be cold, but it's actually, it gives a cloud of warmth. So oof. So this is it. I guess maybe you might be interested in making it, either for yourself. You should make something for yourself. Make one for yourself, why not? And so you gather your crochet hook. Here's my crochet hook, the one that I used a 10mm crochet hook, like you can see. And the yarn was a quite chunky yarn, so that's it. And let's go on a crochet journey. Thank you for tuning in to Hands That Rock Crochet. Thank you. We love you.